Here we have our Fairlife yogurt. 2 ingredients. All you need is a carton of whole milk Fairlife. That's right. And about a cup or so of probiotic, live active cultured yogurt. Add them together, stick them in your Instant Pot, set it on your yogurt setting about 9 hours. Hey guys, so yeah, it's meal prep day. It's part of my training in my program of EOS Fitness is part of the Better Health is we take Saturday or Sunday and meal prep for the week. And let me tell you, I know how important meal prep is. I know, I've always known when I lost my 119 pounds a couple years ago, it played an intricate part. But it's effort, guys. It takes work and planning and organization and budget. So it takes a lot of effort to live healthy when you're used to not doing it. But I'm meal prepping today, but it makes the rest of the week so much easy and functional, right? So I got my yogurt going, you've seen that. That'll last me all week and more, maybe. Me and my son both eat off of it.
The Fairlife yogurt. And now I'm going to make a big, huge bowl of green salad. Then we're going to make meat that's going to go in the salad for different days of the week when I go to work. So I have this huge, gigantic, I'm getting, the roughage. Until you really look at your, what's called, the macros and all that, until you really start tracking them and see, you don't know how bad your diet really is. You might think, yeah, I got kind of a, but I'm okay with this, and I'm good in this area. No. I wasn't eating nearly enough green leafy vegetables, but now I am, and it's not easy. I love salad. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus, for helping me love salad. I do love salad. But every day they want me for lunch to have this giant big salad at either lunch or midday. It helps. It's just great. It's good for you. I'm getting a lot of roughage in. It's all that's got protein in it. I mean, it's a salad. But it takes work, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm putting in the work so I don't have to do it during the week. So let's get going with this salad.
And here she is, the lovely giant bowl of mixed green salad that I'll be eating throughout the week for lunch. There it is. Lovely colors. Airtight container, just gets stuck in the refrigerator, and we're prepared for the week. And here we are cutting up some sirloin. It's a really lean piece of beef, but I'm making fajita meat with it. So we're going to cut this up, throw in some onions, some carne asada seasoning, and just let it simmer so it's nice and tender because it is a more lean cut. And then this will go in the refrigerator, and it goes in to make fajita salads and taco salads and everything else throughout the week. And away we go. So here you can see I also cooked a whole tray. My son seasoned all these chicken legs for me. We cooked up a whole tray of them, and those will go in the refrigerator. And now we cut up some chicken to go with the steak fajitas. So it's going to be chicken and steak fajitas. And here comes the onion, and then we will throw that into the sizzling pan of olive oil. This is the special seasoning I like to use. It's called, if you can see it there, it's kind of blurry. There we go. Carne asada. It's seasoning makes all the difference, guys. When you are cooking healthy, season. Use seasonings. Be generous with the seasonings. I have found they make all the difference. Alright, so we're finishing up the fajitas. Next we have steak, and we're adding cauliflower, broccoli to the second pan. I just added water to get up the drippings from the first batch. And this has got cauliflower, broccoli, that sirloin beef, and then we're going to add some yams to it. And some butter steakhouse seasoning to make it nice and rich and buttery. So I wanted to show you, this is the yogurt. See how thick it is? Then I just take a whisk and I whisk it real good until it's all smooth. And then this, of course, goes into the refrigerator. And I use it for various things throughout the week. That little, yeah, it's really good. High protein, low carb, all natural, no chemicals, no sugars, no nothing. All right, guys, that's the yogurt.